Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy T. I'm back again today with another video. Something a little different today, man. I got some pickups, man. I got a G.O.A.T steel and I got a pickup from Nike and eBay and probably your favorite beater box unboxer. Some merchandise from him. But yeah, man, I got a cool little G.O.A.T steel. I figured I'd let all the mail pile up and I'll just do one video. I haven't done one of these videos in a while of stuff that I had come in besides the beater boxes. So go ahead and share it with you guys and see what you guys think, man. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, I got 5 pickup total, nothing major. First up, I got a little eBay pickup, man. If you guys follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, you probably know I've been going to the gym a lot in the last year and a half, 2 years. So on this pickup, nothing to do with shoes, throw that over there. Picked up me a hydro flask, got a brand new one. Hydro flask, man. I got tired of blender bottles, man. Plus when you're working out for an hour and a half, 2 hours, blender bottles don't keep your drinks cold. So first pickup, cool little hydro flask, brand new. All right, here we go with the shoes. I'm gonna save that for last. Follow me on Instagram. I think this is the box. See that tape? You guys know where this is from. Tape from Nike. I got lucky this year. For the first time, I say this year, but for the first time I got lucky. No, this might have been the second time. With the Nike draw. Nike had did a draw for the LeBron 15 diamond turfs, all red ones, and I put in for the draw and actually got lucky. Receipt from Nike, and this is a big box. Should have opened it the other way. Here we go. All right, throw that over there. And this is my first time seeing these in hand. LeBron James. We got my size 11. The red diamond turfs. This is actually my first LeBron 15. I seen him hooping in these all last season like everybody else did, and these joints are fire. These are nice, man. These are really, really nice. Check out the other one. Brand new from Nike. Got lucky with the draw. I got a lot of red shoes, man. I'm looking at my collection over here on in the drop fronts. I got a lot of red shoes. Didn't need them. Didn't even think I was gonna win them. But I got lucky. So resale on these is pretty much non-existent. But it's just a shoe that I liked and I wanted, so I got them. Got lucky. Alright, next up, show y'all these, man. Another package from Nike. I found this deal on Twitter. I've actually had this box for a couple of weeks. I knew what they was. Don't plan on undsing this pair for a while. Most of you guys know I live in Oklahoma, but I'm from California. That's where I was born. Where my family is, most of my family, and I got some stuff that remind me of home, man. I gotta keep these, man. Nike box, Nike receipt, throw that over there. Nike box, I got a 10.5 on these, my size. Nothing fancy, nothing special. Most of you guys wouldn't even understand. Man, I gotta keep the G with the Cortez, man. I found these on, somebody put a link up, I'm not sure who it was, on Twitter. And Nike dropped these for, I think it was cheap, like 55 bucks shipped. So, Nike Cortez, man. Nothing fancy, it's just a shoe that I keep near and dear to me. People be thinking I'm playing when I say I choose these over Yeezys, but G Nike is what we call them. So, put those up. Probably won't unds those for a while. Next up, man, show you guys this box right here. This box comes to me from G.O.A.T. This is my G.O.A.T steel, bro. I got these for a steal, and $35 shipped. That's right, $35 shipped, man. Didn't lowball the seller or anything like that. These, I didn't even search for these. These actually just popped up when I opened up the app one day. Got that good old G.O.A.T wrapping. A G.O.A.T sleeve on there. Let's see if I can. I'm just gonna tear it off. Alright. More LeBrons. LeBron says the 12 on the box. You can't even see them. I'm gonna try to show you anyway. These are size 11. I wanted these when they first came out. I think I had plenty of this model, but I never had this colorway. We got the G.O.A.T verification. Check this out, man. Let me make sure I'm not tripping. Like, I was looking through the pictures, like for sure something is wrong with these shoes. For 35 bucks, shipped. Dude wanted 25, so what happened was I paid for them. Of course I didn't make no offer, and I was like, I don't need to make an offer. The shoe was $25. So I didn't make an offer, I just paid for him. Like, oh, for sure it's just a mistake. He's gonna cancel this order, he or she. Look at this, man. These are, and these are older LeBron. These are still one of my favorites. This is fire, man. I love the colorway on these. The model is dope. This was the first year they went with that hex pad bottom. I actually had a pair of these when I hooped in them, and they were pretty comfortable. 25 bucks, $35 shipped from the G.O.A.T app. Major steal. Like, I'll buy this all day. This is crazy. The condition is immaculate. The box is in great shape. Like, somebody just wants to get rid of them, like, for real. They even got and they authenticated by G.O.A.T, so can't lose there. That's it for the shoes, man. 3 personal pickups for myself. This package comes to me from Hawaii. You guys probably already know who this is from. I don't want to use the box blade to open this up. This comes from my boy Bryson in Hawaii, or Untied Hawaii. You guys might know him better as. You guys probably know him as Bryson too. Man, I ended up getting a XXL in this, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit it. I wish I would have got the 1X, man. I've been in the gym and I kind of dropped some more weight, and for some reason I'm still buying 2X shirts. Brand new. This is dope, man. Happy to have it. Got the Aloha on the back in that old Sega Genesis gamer print. That was sick. Got the Ohana up here, the logo up here in the top left corner. Looking at it, man, I'm kind of feeling like I should have got a 1X. This shirt is sick. I'm still gonna try to rock it, of course. Happy to have it, man. Just it's dope when you see your friends succeeding. This dude just hit 100,000 subs on YouTube. If you guys watch Beater Boxes, you know who he is. And man, he's just a homie, man. I've been rocking with him for a very long time. And yeah, I try to get everything. I try to support people, good people, man. So between him, my boy Mitch, SB Mitch, I'm rocking with them dudes. I can vouch for them dudes. They both solid. This is my first purchase from Untied Hawaii. Probably more in the future. Hey, if anybody got the black OG one and you watching this in a 1X, hell, I'll take the 2X. If you got the black OG one, I need it. He did the drop and them joints sold out fast. I want to say these are still available on his site. If they are, I'll put a link down below. I'm pretty sure he don't need my help at all. The dude is killing it right now. But man, this is dope, man. This is just dope. He put so much thought and effort into that logo. You guys need to go back and watch that video if you haven't, man. He got a whole explanation behind the logo. It's just sick. It's very, very well thought out. The materials feel good. The Aloha on the back. And yeah, this is fire, man. I actually got some Hawaii clothes already. from my little brother being deployed and living in Hawaii, but it's a whole nother story. But appreciate you guys watching, coming back, watching these videos. New beater box video be up very soon. They still coming in like crazy. Just wanted to show you guys some of the new things I picked up from my personal collection. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep all 3 of these. I know I'm keeping the Cortez, like that's a gimme. The LeBrons, love them. I got a lot of red shoes, so it'd be a while for those get on DS, because I got a bunch of stuff that hasn't even made it into my rotation yet. Not like my collection is crazy or nothing like that, but I'm in work boots most of the time. Most of you guys know that. So again, man, quit rambling, let you guys get up out of here. Thank you for tuning in, watching my little pickup video. Make sure you follow me down below on Twitter, Instagram, eBay, everywhere. T Got Soul. I'm out. Peace.